Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a terrific day. I want to go ahead and share with you what I picked up for my birthday. This is going to be a quick video because I am going to need to start packing ASAP because I have a business trip tomorrow. I am going to Canada and I'm going afterwards to Seattle. So the climate is very, very different than the one that we have here in South Florida. So I really have to think about what I'm taking. Anyhow, I want to go ahead and share with you what I picked up for my birthday, and I actually crossed off one item off of my wish list. So if you're interested to know what it is, keep on watching. Before we get into it, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you will go ahead and enjoy this video, and if you do, please click on the subscribe button down below and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get into the shopping. And here is my first item, crossed off the wish list. It is not a handbag, but it is really the first, I would say, major purchase that I have made from Hermes. Other than that, I did purchase a Twilly when I was in Las Vegas, and that is the only thing I have ever purchased from them. So this is something that I put on my wish list, and I wasn't sure how easy or difficult it would be to get. I heard that sometimes they don't have the sizing available, but anyhow, I went to the Miami Design District store and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'll go ahead and put some pictures in for you, but really, really gorgeous. So it comes in the Hermes orange box with the Hermes logo right there. And it has a brown ribbon with Hermes and the horse on there. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I was not expecting this kind of box, so it was really funny when I saw that it was packed in here. And well, there's not a lot of presentation, I gotta say. Inside there are 2 dust bags, so that gives you an idea of what this could be. They are very beautiful dust bags. They are thick. It's a thick fabric, and it's got the Hermes, again, the horse and the H right there. Drawstrings at the top, and inside is a pair of Oran sandals. Okay, so here are the sandals. I went ahead and picked them up in the gold color, which I thought would be a wonderful neutral. So these are calfskin. I picked them up in my regular size 37. And they fit exact. They fit me perfectly. They had them in my size, no issues. And the surprise about this is that when I went ahead to pay for them, the very nice SA that was taking care of me told me that they had actually reduced the price on the sandals. Believe it or not, she said that they reduced them $40. And I was like, wow. Why? And she says, well, you know what? The rage is the sneakers, she said. So they've gone ahead and priced these $40 cheaper. Actually went on the website and they are priced at $650. I guess they were previously $690. So that was a welcome surprise. I expect to get a lot of use out of these because they are in this neutral color. And as far as South Florida weather, for the most part, we tend to be able to wear flip-flops, sandals, and open shoes because it's rarely cold. So I picked this up, very happy with them. I will not be able to use them for the next 2 weeks because I'm going to be traveling and I'm not going to be taking them with me to the snow, but very excited. I hope that they are as comfortable as everybody says they are. They seem to fit fine. I walked around a little bit with them on and everything felt really, really good. These are made in Italy. And yeah, so that was that. There, I looked around. I saw the Twilly perfume. I have never tried it, and I am not somebody that really tries a lot of different perfumes. And so she went ahead and gave me a sample. Actually, this is a sample of the, I think this is the body shower cream. Yes, it's the body shower cream. Here you go. And so we shall see. Yeah, so that was everything that I got at Hermes. Again, the receipt is here inside, along with the card of the lady that took care of me. The next stop that I made was at Tory Burch. I really wanted to go to her store because I always am curious about her clothes, and the shops at the malls close to where I live only really have the bags and the shoes, and the outlet also only has bags and shoes. So I was excited to go into the store, and it was a really lovely experience. I had a really nice lady that took care of me. Everybody in the store is very nice, and it's a beautiful store, and I really enjoyed myself. So I will go ahead and insert some pictures also, but let me go ahead and show you what I bought. So the first thing comes in this box, and I love her boxes because I love the bright colors. So as you can see, it's a pair of shoes, and they come with this dust bag. They do only come with one dust bag. And inside are these gorgeous, gorgeous black pumps. And so they are pretty much, they're a plain black pump with a, if you look here on the point of the shoe, it does have a different type of leather, which gives it that detail. And on the other side, it's got the T for the Tory Burch. These are 3.5-inch heels, and they are made in Italy, and they were really comfortable. They fit me perfect, and I have had an issue finding black pumps for work that actually fit me exact. I am a 7 in almost every single brand of shoes that you can find, but what's been happening to me lately is I buy the 7 and they're just a little bit big in the back, and so my ankle kind of flips, you know, up and down from the shoe, and that bothers me. And I know I can get an insert, but I'm like, what's happening? Anyway, so I went ahead and purchased these. They are really, really beautiful, very comfortable, and they fit me really nicely. So I went ahead and purchased them because you can never have too many black pumps when you work outside of the home. So this was something that I picked up. They were regular price. And yeah, no discount. Before I show you, just look at the beautiful bag. It's got this gorgeous like magenta color inside, and then it's got purples and kind of this purpley pink raspberry on the outside. It is just gorgeous. I love, love her bags. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased is right here, and it's wrapped in tissue paper. Really, really pretty. And let's go ahead and open this up. And this was just something I fell in love with. I am going to be able to use it on the trip, so I don't feel too bad about spending the money, but I certainly won't be able to really use it here where I live. And it is this absolutely stunning sweater. Look at this. It is just beautiful. It is an oversized sweater, and it is a turtleneck. It's got a really, really big turtleneck, and kind of like a square shape and bottom. It's got ribbing right here at the bottom and at the end of the sleeve. And other than that, that's pretty much it. It is a beautiful rose color. I hope this is coming through. I'm not sure with this lighting, but it is a gorgeous like blush rose color. This is called the Inez turtleneck, and the color is coastal pink, and it's gorgeous. And this is was reduced. It was still a pretty penny in my opinion for a sweater, but I really, really liked it, and it looks really, really nice, and it's super, super thick. So for all of you guys that live in the north where it really gets cold, I figured I really am going to be able to use this in Canada and in Seattle. But not least, I really didn't get this for my birthday, but I do want to share it with you in case anybody is interested. And they are these layering turtlenecks by Everlane. Okay, so they have this beautiful, beautiful, very, very soft fabric, and they fit really close to the body. Everlane is a company that I was not that familiar with. I actually ordered these via their website, and I found them through another YouTuber, and I believe it's Miss Louie, and I'm gonna go ahead and link her channel down below. She is a big YouTuber, and she focuses a lot on fashion, and she actually talked about these, and I thought, well, you know, I'm going to be going to Canada, I'm going to be going to Seattle, and I don't have layering pieces. And when you're going to layer, especially when you're not a twig, I'm not trying to offend anybody, but what I'm saying is I'm not twiggy, right? I mean, I've got some meat on my bones, so I'm going to be putting all these layers on. I really want thin layers so I can put my sweaters on top and not feel all tight and constricted. So I really wanted something soft and close to the body that would help warm me up and give me those layers. So I went ahead and ordered from them, and I love them. I ordered a black and a white, and I already wore this one, and I already washed it and dried it, and it came out just as beautiful as it was. It did not shrink. It is just wonderful. This is an ethical company. They show you the factories that they use. They basically invest in those communities. I was really, really impressed. So if you're looking for if you're looking for clothes, I mean, I would recommend going to that website. I actually am going to start looking into some other things that they have. Basically, tried them out by ordering these layering turtlenecks, and I really, really love them. So if you're interested, they were $35 each, and it's free shipping, and I really like them. One last thing that I did want to mention, there was a Louis Vuitton event that I was invited to last weekend, and I couldn't attend, and they're having another one this coming up weekend that I will not be in town. So I am sorry I won't be able to share those special events with you because I'm not going to be around to attend them. I will see if I'm able to go to Louis Vuitton or Hermes in Montreal. That would be super cool. And then when I'm in Seattle, I will definitely go. I know that there's a Louis Vuitton and a Nordstrom's. I'll try and go there, and I'll try and see where I can go. But just wanted to let you know that I will be missing out on some of those LV events. Okay, guys, that's it. Like I said, it's a super quick unboxing and sharing of what I picked up for my birthday. Nothing earth-shattering, but you know, I turned 56. I'll probably celebrate the entire month of February, so stay tuned. Maybe I'll pick up something else, but other than that, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye.